Let's say our number is 7207 and we want to write the place values of each digit. So the place value of each digit would be ones. If you notice in this, at the end of every place value, we have an S. Generally, students do not place this S and just write 10 or 100 and so on. This will be a wrong answer since in place value, we always need to write an S at the end of the place value. This goes for the decimal as well. For example, if the place value of 1 is tenths, so it will be TH and then S. All these three letters in decimal place value is very important. Similarly, if we talk about this 2, the place value of this 2 is hundredths. So 100, THS, hundredths. Let's say you are already given this expansion form. When we expand it, students generally make the mistake of writing this as 574, which is wrong. There are some places where there is a 0, but they have not written it in expansion form since it is not necessary to write the zeros in expansion form. So it will be 7 plus, since there are 4 zeros and there are only 2 zeros here, we would write a 0 here, then a 5. Since there are 2 zeros and no 0 here, we would write a 0 again, which would have only 1 0, plus 4, which would make to 70504. Third common mistake is writing the value of a digit in words. For example, let's say the question is write the value of 7. Now the value of 7 here is not tens, it is 70. Similarly, the value of 2 is not hundredths. This is the place value. It's not the worth or the value. The value of 2 here is 0.02. Lastly, one of the common mistakes is writing decimal in word form. For example, the question is, now this will be written as, firstly, it is very important to write an and where the decimal comes. And then for the 712, we do not write it as 712 or 7 tenths, 100ths. No. First, we write this entire number as a standard form. So this is 712. So let's write 712. Now the place value of the last digit is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So after 12, we write thousandths. In the last one where we are writing the place value, there we write this TH and S, not here. So 5 and 712 thousandths. This is your right answer. I hope you understood all the common mistakes that we generally make in the place value and decimal place value topic. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section and I will answer them all.